Hi friends, welcome to Smile Nursing Tutorial. Today we are going to celebrate 75th Independence Day on August 15th. I wish you a happy Independence Day to all of you. Today we are going to discuss about Mahatma Gandhi. Few words.
Gandhiji was born on 2nd October 1867 in Porbandar. His full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He fought against discrimination. Gandhiji was influenced by religious concepts. He studied law in London. Gandhiji lived in South Africa for 21 years and India emerged as a nationalist leader. He was a great man of unbelievable personality. Mahatma Gandhi, better known as Father of Nation, because he got freedom for us. He told everyone about the values of truth, non-violence, harmony, morality and simplicity. The slogan "Do or Die" was delivered from Mahatma Gandhi. He was a great freedom fighter and very famous in India as Bapu or Rashtrapita. He died on 30th January in 1948 at the age of 78.
This speech is given by 8th class students. Thank you, Ma. If you like, share, subscribe and comments.